बस माँ की गोदी थी और पापा के कंधे। ना पैसे का टेंशन था, ना लाइफ के हथकंडे। ना कल की फिक्र थी, ना कोई स्ट्रेस था। बस खेलना था, पढ़ना था और सोकर सपनों की दुनिया में खो जाना था। हेलो, હું છું ગીતા મોદી and you are watching Short with Big Shot Season 3 the digital edition. વેલ, આજે આપણું બચપનનું સફર લઈ જશે આપણને મુંબઈ શહેરમાં. અહીંયા આપણે મળવાના છે એક યંગ એક્ટરને. So she is from Odisha, but she has traveled a long way in this very young age. She has done plenty of commercials, she has done music videos, acted in over 17 languages, and has really come to such a point where she feels she is going to be able to beat it all. She has her own show, she has written a book, and you can name it, she's done whatever she has felt she wanted to do. So let's go and meet this young talent and talk to her about her bachpan. Let's welcome Leslie Tripathi. Hi Leslie, welcome to Short with Big Shot. Very happy to have you here.
Hi Geeta, I'm so happy to join you here. I have so much of respect and admiration for your journey. And you know, when I was told I'm being interviewed by you, I had like so many things in my mind. Oh, I want to interview her. You know, you have such an amazing, fun life. You know, your journey is so aspirational. Wow. Thank you for having me.
I love it when youngsters like you coming from smaller towns and they come and they really fulfill their dreams. It's so amazing to see that. So today, like you know, we are going to be talking about bachpan, right? So हम थोड़ा हिंदी में भी बोलेंगे because when we are doing with the Gujarati actors, we are even using the Gujarati language. तो आज हिंदी and English दोनों में बात करेंगे, ठीक है ना? सबसे पहले हम लोग बात करेंगे एक सेगमेंट में जहां पर we are going to be doing short questions, like you know, एक वर्ड में या वन लाइन में या ऐसा कुछ, right? So we call it fast and curious. तो लेस्ली, आपका बचपन कहाँ बीता?
उड़ीसा में, उड़ीसा, भुवनेश्वर, बरहमपुर.
ओके. आपका कोई पेट नाम था? कोई यू नो व्हाट दे कॉल यू जब बच्चे होते हैं तो कोई पेट नेम होता है ऐसा?
या गूगल.
गूगल.
गूगल. गूगल.
गूगल.
या
व्हाट इज
रशियन राइटर निकोलाई गोगोल. तो मेरे पापा जब father is a professor, so he was reading a book by Nikolai Gogol, and I think मैं रो रही थी तभी, like I was a kid, I was crying, so he kept saying something Gogol Gogol और मेरा रोना बंद हो गया. तब से they started calling me that name, and I think मैं कभी रोती नहीं थी when that name was called.
Right. Okay. स्कूल किस में, बस में जाते थे कि चल के जाते थे?
Like I think we got a drop. Yeah, there were people to drop us. We had a team.
Okay. And तुम्हारा स्कूल था जो घर से करीब था, or you were staying very far away?
Actually, we had shifted, like you know, because we stayed in headquarters of all this college campuses and all. So you know, काफी traveling रहता था. You know, shifting बहुत होता था. Like कभी हम स्कूल के पास है, कभी थोड़ा दूर है, but you know आसपास ही था. Like always it was like 5 minutes या 2 minutes का distance.
Okay, स्कूल में लंच बॉक्स में क्या लेकर जाते थे?
I think lots of paratha, lots of aloo, and maybe omelette and paratha. So yeah, my mom wanted us to be like a chubby cheap kids. So
खाते पीते रुष्ट पुष्ट बच्चे.
Yeah, even you know I remember मेरे बैग में ना वो like you know छोटे छोटे pouches होते थे front में. हाँ, so what happens is वहाँ सब ना oil color का वो oil हो गया होगा. So I had a blue bag. It looked green because of the yellow oil of that masaledar, you know, sabzi or something. Because वो कभी कभी drip होता है. So I remember those memories because and what used to happen is मैं खा खा के बोर हो जाती थी मेरा खाना, but my friends will steal my food. वो बोलेंगे मेरा खा ले. वो कभी you know they are having some basic you know कुरमुरा वगैरह वगैरह, they will want to swap और मैं दे देती थी. फिर लेकिन वो ऐसा था, लेकिन वो abundance था तो lucky. Yeah.
Okay. स्कूल में फेवरेट सब्जेक्ट कौन सा था?
English.
Okay.
You know, I'll say English because my father is a professor in English. तो हमारे घर में ना इंग्लिश के सारे किताबें थे, लिटरेचर के, स्कूल कॉलेजेस के। तो व्हाट यूज्ड टू हैपन इज कि मुझे ना हमेशा लाइक आई ऑलवेज लाइक टू बी अहेड ऑफ एवरीवन, ठीक है। तो आई ऑलवेज रीड दैट इज नॉट इन द सिलेबस। आई विल रीड जो बड़े बच्चे पढ़े। तो मेरे पापा ट्यूशन वगैरह देते थे पीजी स्टूडेंट्स को। तो मैं जब स्कूल में थी ना, मैं पीजी बच्चों के बुक्स पढ़ लेती थी। एंड जब कभी कोई टीचर ने रेफरेंस में बोला, मैं लाइक हरमायनी हैरी पॉटर के तरफ, मुझे पता है, मुझे पता है। आई लव इंग्लिश एंड आई लव टू शो कि आई एम गेटिंग द हाईएस्ट मार्क्स।
ओके। और स्कूल में बहुत ज्यादा मस्ती होती थी कि नहीं होती थी?
हाँ, मस्ती होती थी। और आई थिंक मेरा कभी कभी ऐसा होता था कि देयर वर सम सब्जेक्ट जिसमें आई वाज वेरी वीक, ओके, लाइक मैथ्स एंड साइंस। क्योंकि मुझे ना कुछ लाइक ज्यादा मेहनत करना अच्छा नहीं लगता था। लाइक आप मुझे बता दो, अगर मैं समझ गई तो अच्छी बात है, बट अगर आप बोलोगे मैं मेहनत करके पढ़ो, ये उसका अलजेब्रा का मेथड है, ये वो सब, मैं वो सब इतना मेहनत नहीं कर सकती। सो मेरा हमेशा ना इंटरेस्ट रहता था एक्स्ट्रा करिकुलर चीजों में, जैसे कॉयर ग्रुप में गाना एंड जाके डिबेट्स में पार्टिसिपेट करके ना अवार्ड्स लाना। तो मैं हमेशा ना ऐसे इंग्लिश क्लास में भी मस्ती करती थी। लाइक मुझे लगता था मुझे पता है, मेरे टीचर को क्या पता। वो एक एरोगेंस था मेरा। और बाकी सब्जेक्ट्स में मैंने जो डे ड्रीमिंग करती थी, पता, मैं ना हमेशा हीरोइन बनूंगी, फेमस बन के मैं अपने स्कूल आऊंगी, मेरे फ्रेंड्स मुझे देख के बोलेंगे वाओ, वो सब सपने। क्योंकि क्लास में थोड़ा सा कभी फेल हो गई मैथ्स में, तो तो पीछे
बोर हो
ऐसे
गए
सब
तभी।
बैठना पड़ा। But I used to think I will now one day come like this. My teachers will be like, wow. And the best part is वही हुआ.
हाँ, राइट, एब्सोल्युटली। अच्छा, तो स्कूल में कोई रोल मॉडल था, कोई टीचर या कोई हेड गर्ल या कोई somebody in school whom you thought as a role model?
Actually, my mom was a teacher there in our school. So, and my mom was very famous is always famous for her fashion sense. So, मम्मी के जो students हैं, they will be talking about अशोका मैम कितनी खूबसूरत है, उनका फैशन ही अच्छा है ये। So, I used to think कि मैं mom की तरह fashionable बनूंगी because her fashion stands out. And I think she was one of the most fashionable teachers in school also. Like teachers may be more popularity and students may for her fashion. So I used to think, okay, someday I would like to be fashionable like her.
Great. Okay, so now that we have sort of really entered into your bachpan, what do you remember the earliest memories? जब when you think back कि मैं इतना दूर तक जाऊं तो मैं सबसे पहली memories क्या आती है? स्कूल आता है, कोई ऐसा सीन आता है तुम्हारे सिटी का या स्मॉल विलेज का या जो भी, the first memories जो आती है बचपन को याद करके?
I think memories में like बचपन के memories में I have good memories with my family, like mom, dad and my brother, because like when we were growing up in this place called Berhampur, वहाँ पे ना people usually dream of very simple life, okay, शादी करो, women का है either teacher बनो, lecturer बनो. So I used to listen to a lot of people talking about our future plans, like because we were kids ना, हमें बोलेंगे तुम तो बड़ी होके lecturer बनोगी या journalist बनोगी, ऐसे मुझे बोलते थे. And me and my brother ना somewhere didn't like that idea. So I remember my fondest memories are with my brother कि मैं ना क्या करती थी, उसके साथ बैठ के प्लानिंग करती थी. अरे हम एक्चुअली क्या था कि my पापा इज अ वेरी फेमस प्रोफेसर, ठीक है, अंग्रेजी में. तो उनके ना स्टूडेंट्स उनको बहुत प्यार करता है. सो दैट्स व्हाई ना वो एक जो अलग मस्ती में ना हम काफी पॉपुलर थे त्रिपाठी सर के बच्चों. एंड मेरे पापा को सब ना they used to address him like Bagha sir, like tiger. So tigers के जैसे करके ना हमें अलग फेम मिलता था. So what was happening is कि लोगों के काफी एक्सपेक्टेशंस थे हमसे कि ये क्या करेंगे. और कभी कभी हम जब मार्क्स अच्छा नहीं लाते थे ना, हम पे काफी प्रेशर होता था, बिकॉज मन में नहीं हम सोच रहे वी आर द बेस्ट, बिकॉज इतना अड्यूलेशन, इतना प्यार मिल रहा है. बट कभी कभी हमें लगता था यार ये मार्क्स कुछ नहीं होता, हम तो कुछ बड़ा बन के दिखाएंगे. वी हैड दिस फेथ इन आवर ड्रीम्स, ओके. सो मुझे वो बहुत अच्छा लगता था दैट मैं अपने भाई के साथ बैठ के ना बोली, डोंट वरी यार, ये मैथ्स में जो रेड लाइन आया है ना रिपोर्ट कार्ड में, डोंट वरी, हम तो बहुत बड़े बड़े सुपरस्टार्स बनेंगे, टीचर्स हमें वर्शिप करेंगे कुछ दिनों बाद. वो ना हम ऐसे बोल के ईच अदर को ना खुश करते थे.
Yeah.
So I have those memories.
इवन व्हेन वी वर स्मॉल आई थिंक हम लोग को तो है ना हर साल वो एक प्रोफेशन चेंज हो जाता था. ये साल डॉक्टर बनना है तो नेक्स्ट ईयर कुछ और बनना है, तो थर्ड ईयर कुछ और बनना है. तो जब छोटे होते हैं तो वो स्टेबिलिटी नहीं होती है. आई थिंक अंटिल यू रीच द 7th स्टैंडर्ड वो हर साल कुछ और बनना होता है. तो कभी कुछ कोई भी पूछेगा, थोड़े दिन बाद पूछेगा तो कुछ और बनना था. तो अभी जब सोचते थे ऐसे लगता है कितने आई मीन इट वाज सो फनी कि हमको कितनी चीजें बननी थी. तभी जो नया सीखते थे वो बनना था. देयर वाज अ पॉइंट ऑफ टाइम व्हेन आई वांटेड टू बी एन एयर होस्टेस. कुछ भी कर लो मुझे एयर होस्टेस बनना है बस, क्योंकि मुझे सब जगह घूमना है. तो उसकी वजह से एयर होस्टेस बनना था. फिर पता चला कि काम बहुत करना पड़ता है, वो बिल्कुल सर्विंग ये वो. फिर सोचा कि नो, बिल्कुल जरा भी नहीं बनना एयर होस्टेस, तो कभी नहीं बनना. So yeah, everybody has those things at every stage. But like you're talking about your brother, did you have a lot of fights and tips also with your brother? Masti, gussa, झगड़ा.
Yeah, actually भाई के साथ of course वो रहता था कि you know थोड़ा झगड़ा वगैरह, you know misunderstandings तो होते थे. But you know like luckily we were always trying to put up a you know united front, because हमें पता है कि हमसे काफी एक्सपेक्टेशंस थे टीचर्स को, लेक्चरर्स को, you know because they were very famous people. मेरे पापा की किताबें ना स्वीडन वगैरह के लाइब्रेरीज में पढ़ाए जाते हैं, because he's a writer, he's a poet. और बचपन में क्या होता था कि हमारी इंटरेक्शन ना अमेरिकन राइटर्स, पोएट्स, ब्रिटिश राइटर, पोएट्स, इन सबके साथ होता था. वो हमें फोन कॉल्स करते थे, पूछते थे तुम्हारा लेकिन मे बी पापा ने बोल दिया होगा इनका लाइक मार्क्स ऐसा आया है, इंग्लिश में अच्छा करे बाकी में अच्छा नहीं करे, यू नो. तो हमें ना कोई अगर पॉइंट आउट करता था ना, वी वर गेटिंग डिफेंसिव. तो यूनाइटेड वी विल गेट डिफेंसिव एंड वी विल से कि नहीं नहीं ये बस ये. बट यू नो कॉलेज में ना विल डू आर्ट्स सब्जेक्ट लोगे तो यू नो मैथ्स की जरूरत नहीं, यू नो we were protecting each other and our dreams also. So that was very helpful for us.
Right. और बचपन में जैसे तुम लोग पिकनिक्स पर जाते थे स्कूल से या कहीं, you know, you would go somewhere from school which you remember very vividly कि यहाँ गए थे और वहाँ खूब कुछ इंसिडेंट बना एक ऐसा जो याद रह गया.
You know what? Actually हमारी पेरेंट्स काफी प्रोटेक्टिव रहे हैं हमें लेके. तो मेरा एक ट्रिप आया था नेपाल जाने का, लाइक अब्रॉड जाने का, बिकॉज मैं डिबेट्स वगैरह में अच्छा कर रही थी. नेपाल एक बार था और एक बार इंटरनेशनल ट्रिप का लंदन वगैरह. सो व्हाट वाज हैपनिंग, जब स्कूल की तरफ से जाने को था कि दैट टू अलोन, तो दे नेवर अलाउड अस टू गो ऑन आवर ओन. लाइक यू नो दे वर वेरी प्रोटेक्टिव. सो यू नो समवेयर मेरे अंदर ना वो एक यू नो गुस्सा था, like you know I'm getting selected to represent my state, my country in different countries. Why can't I go on my own? So they used to say you can't go, you don't do this. So you know I think somewhere I thought ki I need to like achieve more so that you know unpe pressure आए government की तरफ से, you know these were the things always in my mind. Okay, and that actually happened. I went to Kerala later, representing my state Orissa. So वहाँ पे I went for I think some elocution debate competition and I met people from all states. ठीक है. So I remember the chief minister of the state also saying you're very good with your questions, because we were asking questions to the chief minister and all. So I remember मुझे ना पता है कि I can you know make a mark wherever I go, people will be impressed. So I always wanted to expand my horizon. ठीक है. I wanted to be known, I wanted to be celebrated for who I am, because somewhere I was thinking ki if I stay in one state, one place, my knowledge will be like that, you know, like that frog in the well. So I wanted to grow, you know, I wanted to blossom. Okay. So I remember कि धीरे धीरे ना मैं जब वो गई ना वो competition में, that was again sponsored by the government. So धीरे धीरे जो मैं विश करती थी ना, लेकिन गॉड को मैं प्रे कर रही हूँ, गॉड प्लीज हेल्प मी, यू नो गिव मी चांस टू रिप्रेजेंट. और क्या होता है ना वो जो छोटे छोटे मेरा क्या ना वो परफेक्शनिस्ट, छोटे छोटे चीजों में अगर आप निकालोगे ना मिस्टेक, यू नॉट डूइंग वेल, आई विल ट्राई टू प्रूव यू कि आई हैव द टैलेंट, आई एम रिप्रेजेंटिंग माय स्टेट, मतलब आई हैव समथिंग. सो मैथ्स में 0 आने से, आई मीन 0 नहीं था, बट यू नो कम मार्क्स आने से आई एम नॉट अ फेलियर. यू नो दीस वर द थिंग्स ऑलवेज इन माय माइंड. आई वाज वेरी कॉम्पिटिटिव एक्चुअली.
राइट. अमेजिंग. तो बचपन में जैसे आप लोग उड़ीसा में जहाँ थे, डिड यू हैव अ लॉट ऑफ रिलेटिव्स एंड कजिन्स एंड ऑल आल्सो ओवर देयर?
See, initially वो बरहमपुर वगैरह में थी, then you know we came to Bhubaneswar. Yeah, cousins वगैरह, I do like cousins वगैरह में क्या है कि I think me and my brother were like the eldest. And so, we were like more surrounded by our aunts and all, and we have seen other cousins and all, but there were kids and all. And then by the time our careers took off and all, I hardly got to meet anyone, because my career was always like working here, going there, यहाँ पे ribbon cutting है वहाँ पे, and lot of traveling to a lot of places. So yeah, a lot of my cousins have also come with me, accompanied me on my shooting sets, like
Okay.
as my bodyguards. And also, yeah, I have good memories with my family members, relatives and all.
Huh. So how young were you when you did your first public whatever, either a commercial or a music video? कितनी age थी तुम्हारी?
I think I think it was like 12 years.
Okay.
Yeah.
क्या था वो? It was a commercial?
Yeah, it was like some books का कुछ था, book company का, because I was getting, like, because I was representing my state in different places ना, so what was happening is मुझे आते थे ये चीजें, आप ये बुक के बारे में बताओ, ये कंपनी के बारे में, यहाँ से पेंसिल खरीदो, ये सब छोटे छोटे एड्स थे, अगरबत्ती का एड, घर का अगरबत्ती चलाओ, मूड अच्छा करो, ऐसे सब घरेलू चीजें, because when people see you from academic background, they think people relate to you with घरेलू
हाँ.
stuff. So ऐसे छोटी मोटी चीजें I started getting. Yeah.
And your music video, how young were you? First music video?
I think like after this, इसी दौरान, like when I was like 14, ऐसे
14 years old when you did your first music video.
yeah, and that was rejected. It's not like it took off very nicely. It was like I was like जो होता है ना, I also tried a lot. I used to tell all my friends कि भाई मेरे लिए कुछ काम देखो, and I've been very lucky. My friends have been very supportive. So किसी का भाई, किसी ने किसी के साथ connect करवाया. I got some music video, and they were like, oh तुम वो हो जो यहाँ पे आते हो, तुम acting भी करोगे, like So I wanted to have my क्या कहते हैं, I wanted my pocket money also, and a lot of things जो होता है ना, want to prove to people who don't believe in you. So somewhere I used to think, let me try, and that worked for me. And my first music video also, they say कि I didn't look romantic enough. Maybe I was stiff, or I don't know what was the situation. Then जो hero थे मेरे, he cast me, like I think he informed this, like वहाँ पे ना everybody liked me, but for some reason the song was cancelled. I was crying, because I was so excited, because वो जो hero थे, he was like a very top hero in the city and all, in the state. So I was excited, but I also didn't know much about the actors of that industry. But जो भी है, because he was such a big star, he like कुछ दूसरे डायरेक्टर्स को खबर पहुंच गई कि ये लड़की आई थी, रेडी थी, उसका शॉट हुआ, बट पूरा गाना नहीं किया, कैंसिल कर लिया, वो रो रही थी. Then the next day, one of this other big director, he called me to act with this guy only,
Okay.
and that song became a big hit. So, and then interestingly, like first comment was कि I was not romantic enough to act. Then I got all those romantic songs to act. So ऐसा हुआ है, like people reject you, then I work on it.
Naturally.
Like
Right. So बचपन में yeah, tell me what you were saying.
I think, yeah, what I meant to say is बचपन से one thing I learned कि I have to be self-made, and when you want to be self-made, you have to keep working, improving yourself. So if you tell me tomorrow, today, that I think this is not working for you, I will pay attention to my well-wisher, even my critics, and I'll improve. So that is the secret of a self-made person. And I used to read a lot.
Right.
So I think I've traveled the world through books. I had this fascination because I used to read a lot of biographies, be it Abraham Lincoln or Swami Vivekanand or Gandhi. So that's why I try to enrich my life, because somewhere I used to think I want to have a legacy of my own. I want to make everybody proud of me. So I've worked really hard on making a name for myself. I also want to show you, I've written a book.
Oh, lovely.
Yeah.
What is it called?
Yeah, it's a book. It's called Because I'm a Girl.
Because I'm a girl.
Yeah.
It's called Because I'm a Girl. Lovely. And what is it about? It's on you? It's your biography?
it's yeah, it can yeah, it's sort of a biography plus the experiences I had, like being replaced. Like, see, I started at a young age, but still I was replaced by younger girls. Okay.
Right. Great. So, when you started reading, which was the first book you remember reading? Like, I remember when I was in school, I started reading with the Enid Blyton books. I used to love Enid Blyton. So I started reading all, and I think I've just gone through each and every series of whatever she's written. So, what did you start with?
I fondly remember Jane Austen.
Okay,
Exploring the world of Jane Austen, Pride and Prejudice. I
right.
was so much in love with Mr. Darcy. I thought I want to marry
Of
him.
course,
That
everybody
he
loves
was
it.
my yeah. I think because of film, I had a standard meant for guys.
That
Okay, if you
you
can't
have
be Mr.
to look
Darcy,
like this and be like this. True.
yeah.
Right.
So, and after that book, I explored Sherlock Holmes
Okay.
series. I love those mysteries and
Yeah.
something jahan pe na you solve with your own brain also.
Yeah.
So, like basically the whole Arthur Conan Doyle wale series I have covered. Then I'll say Shakespeare, William Shakespeare, because my brother's name is Shakespeare.
Okay. Great.
Yeah. So, yeah. And हमारे घर में actually we have lots of books. Like
Mm.
because both of my parents are literature students, English literature students. They have done PG and stuff. So both are English literature, so they have books and books. So when we were kids, we used to have a inside joke कि हमें सोफे की जरूरत नहीं है, हम books पे ही बैठ जाएंगे.
बैठ जाएंगे.
So yeah, Shakespeare, and then Jane Austen, then Charlotte Bronte, but they were like big, Thomas Hardy, all this literature stuff.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah, Charles Dickens.
Charles Dickens, of course. When you look back now, कि अगर मुझे बचपन का कोई एक दिन जो मुझे ऐसा याद है कि if I have to go back, I want to go back to that day. Do you think you have any such day?
I think yeah, like the one that I mentioned to you now, like बचपन के days में the Kerala experience, going for that youth festival I went for. वहाँ पे ना I was the most popular girl, and I was like making friends with everyone. I was very excited to meet everyone. And my friends from our Orissa team were like getting, "Arey, why are you talking to this person?" Because they were somewhere skeptic of having a conversation. Maybe they couldn't start a conversation. I was like, "Oh, you like my work? Okay, you should know about this. I've done this. I love to plot and talk." So I was. I got a Malayali film offer. I called my father to tell him that I'm going to act in a Malayali film and all. Then he said, "No, you can't act. Come back soon." So he called our authorities. Whoever our guardians were, कि इसको जल्दी घर वापस भेजो, वो मलयाली फिल्म करने मत दो. So, somewhere I thought if he didn't do this thing now, I would have acted in a Malayali film first thing in my career.
So
So,
if you,
but
yeah, so if you had to
yeah,
go back to your Kerala experience.
yeah, because actually I made great friends from Karnataka. That was my experience where I made friends from Kashmir, Karnataka, Gujarat, um, Tamil Nadu, Andhra Pradesh, Assam, Punjab, Haryana. So what happened is, I was popular among all of them. When I came home, I came with this big bunch of letters from everyone. Majja, you feel this camaraderie, friendship with
Yeah.
yourself. So, and they used to call me. So, I used to love the attention I got there. I also had a crush on this guy I liked. His birthday was same as mine. Mine is on June 26th. His birthday was on June 26th. And he didn't talk to anybody except me. Like, he was from Karnataka, I think Belgaum or something. So, I was like, मैं तो मुझे लगा कि मैं दिल दे के आई हूँ, प्यार हो गया, plus, मुझे काम भी मिल रहा है, offers. And, so many people say कि I'm beautiful, cute. So, like I started feeling कि okay, मेरे शहर में if they don't see my value, people outside see. So that was good enough for me.
Right. Great feeling, I'm sure. Well, so coming from your bachpan, which really shaped you to now where you are. So you need to tell us, what exactly, like this lovely sash and the crown that you're wearing. So tell us about that.
Okay, मैं बचपन में भी मिस वर्ल्ड वगैरह से बनना चाहती थी, but I think I was not that tall enough. Okay, I'll say I'm not that tall, so somewhere now it's not that I could have not participated, but I was always skeptic कि what if I don't win any awards? मैं अपना ही insult करके आऊंगी. So uh, this year I had a thumb fracture. Okay, thumb fracture. Okay, so January 1st को मेरा ये हुआ, and January 24th को I went on Jalesh cruise, and there was a beauty pageant there. I was basically there as a celebrity jury. Okay, so it was totally sponsored trip and everything. So cruise became I was so popular and everything. So they gave me this Queen of Queens crown and all. So and वहाँ के जो captain है ना, like the captain of the ship, he crowned So I was doing like, oh, and also I felt good about it.
So you had your Miss World moment at that point of time.
Yeah. Yes. So I think I'm a great believer of like having a good heart, and also having good thoughts, plus dreaming big, because I think everything that I'm living right now is something that I dreamt of, and that has come true. So it's important to like keep dreaming. Like when I told you, when I was in school classes mein, I knew I was always daydreaming. So now I'm thinking, oh, I dreamt that. And the best part was I write my diary. And in my diaries I've written all these things. Oh, I wish I was this, I have a crown, I get fan base and all. So things have happened. So everything that I wished for that has happened. So okay, besides this, what I have done so far is, I've acted in 17 languages.
Okay.
17 languages, music videos, films. So I've acted in Chhattisgarhi films, Chhattisgarhi language. I've acted in a serial, Eklavya. I was playing Eklavya, tribal girl, who's playing, Dhanush Baan. So that was in Madhya Pradeshi Bhasha for DD Kisan. And then I acted in a Hindi film. It was called W, Being Woman. And that was my basic debut into films. And, when I came here now, I took a big risk. Okay, when I came to Bollywood industry, I came to Bombay. I wanted to break away from the glamour and the comfort of Korea industry. Okay, because somewhere I found the same, but I wanted to become a national actor. I wanted to be seen on the national international forum. So I didn't want to limit myself. So when I came to Bombay and everything, I struggled actually. It was like nobody gave me work straight away. I struggled quite a long time, but it was worth it, because I wanted to act in a Hindi film, and I got this Hindi film W. It was about three girls, they get raped and then they strike back, and that the songs were amazing, and so I had a great experience to say. And that that was a leverage for me in a lot of ways. I got a lot of other languages to act in Tamil films. I acted in Tamil film with Abhay Diol, his production. It's called Iddu Vedalam Solam Kadai. I acted in a Telugu film with Shivaji. I acted in Bengali music video, in Haryanvi music videos. So all this happened because I took risks, and I came to the city where I thought it was right, because nobody's there to guide you actually. It's your inner compass, and in a lot of ways I'm very happy. And of course, before me, my brother had already come to the industry. He was acting in a lot of big commercials with Dhoni, TV ads with Dhoni, with Varun Dhawan and all. So, in a way, it was a good risk I took, because it's not like, I'm a sister, I'll get work, because, he was also getting work based on his talent. And, so I had to go for auditions, but, he recommended me to a lot of places, and in a way, it was safe. I was safe. Even that film W also, he recommended me to go for that. He said, go try it. So, a lot of ways I'm grateful for my family and the risks that I've taken.
True. So if you have to tell some message to a 10-year-old or a 15-year-old, teenager Leslie, what would you tell her?
Okay, so, the teenage Leslie that you said your question. So I think, in a lot of ways, I had learned to be stoic. Okay, because I was in a public platform, and a lot of times I had my misgivings also, ki, where is it going, am I getting recognition? I used to feel sad when, you know, people used to replace me in some good projects. I used to get the second best role or something. So, you know, right now I would like to say, hey, embrace your uniqueness,
Yeah.
because you're unique. You know what used to happen is, if somebody pointed out that this is not good about you, I would try to, like, you know, in good ways I embrace it, but again also I lose my identity trying to impress. So I didn't change to impress anyone basically, but kabhi kabhi I used to have that doubt in my mind. You know, I'll write down, I'll ask myself what should I do, I'll stress about it. Right now I'm in a better place, I can decide better. But yeah, I think to my younger self, I want to say that I think I was looking for role models when I was, like, you know, in that stage. Where am I going? What is it happening? Am I taking right decisions? You know, I had few questions in my mind.
Right.
So I want to say, yeah, you are taking the right decisions. I'm proud of you.
Yeah, and you're going to be okay. Everything is going to pan out.
Yeah.
So, is there any dream of your youth you feel कि अब तक उसको अचीव करना बाकी है, जो बिल्कुल बचपन की जो किताबों में लिखती थी, तो जो भी था लिखा हुआ कि ये मुझे करना है, उसमें से ऐसा कुछ भी है जो तुम्हें करना बाकी है? Besides acting,
Yeah.
whatever, maybe something related to travel or maybe to buying a house or whatever, जो भी, you know.
Actually, there are a lot of other things baki hai. Jaise na, I wish to act in one of those cult classic films that, you know, people talk of forever. Like, you know, wo ek film kar le, that's enough. Like, you know, the way to work in this big film doesn't matter. A cult classic, jaise, you know, like we have Sholay or Dilwale Dulhaniya ya Jab We Met types. Some one big film to act in जो भी language का. Like, you know, luckily जो मैंने छत्तीसगढ़ी भाषा में किए हैं ना, वो सब बहुत बड़े बड़े सक्सेस है वहाँ पे. In a way, they have opened, you know, theater going culture for people back again. So in a way that worked. But you know, I'm on a national, international level, and I also wanted to act in some superhero movie like Avengers. So either ऐसे कोई बनाए with, like, either Avenger team या, you know, खुद का कुछ बनाओ, something, you know, that's still going in my mind. I also want to act in some roles like a police officer and all, because my father has always asking me. So ये सब roles that I've always wanted to, because you know ये roles से ना become immortalized, helping the
Yeah.
needy, ऐसे जो, because we do this in real life, but when we do that in films, ना people सीटियाँ बजाते हैं हमारे entry से, dialogue से, you know. मुझे वो national या international level में ऐसी film करनी है for my audience. And yeah, और क्या क्या बाकी, I think, you know, getting recognition with a award like a Padma Shri. Of course, वो उसके लिए तो I need, like, there's more time to work on that. But
Right.
yeah, those, you know, those national awards or Oscars वगैरह के लिए, you know, I want those to open there, like to get those good projects. Yeah.
So, did you dream of these things when you were little, and that is what you want now? कि बचपन में यही चीजें ड्रीम की थी?
Yeah,
Okay, great.
because you know, Oscars और Filmfare में तो बचपन से ही था.
Great, awesome. So, you think you're going to write another book?
I don't know about that, because you know, like, you know, I wrote this book when I was going through a very tough time in my life. Then I felt, you know, writing down will help me, you know, ease away sorrow and pain in life, because writing is very therapeutic. And you know, I don't like, you know, कितना लोगों को बैठ के अपने problems बोलोगे. मुझे भी मैं एक बार बोल दूंगी problem, but you know, I can't repeat कि अरे मेरे साथ ऐसा हुआ ऐसा, you know, क्या कहते हैं ना, पॉजिटिविटी मेंटेन रखो. तो दैट्स व्हाई आई डोंट like to speak about it so much. Once I will say, and I think I let go of that. But you know, अगर if it's bothering me ना, I write it down. अभी मैं लिखती रहती हूँ, but you know, आजकल मैं ज्यादा वीडियोस बना देती हूँ if I go through something, because you know, अभी कैसा है, a culture of there's a new culture that has come around. People enjoy watching videos, they don't have time to read. So I think I'm making more videos, conversational videos. I do a lot of, you know, I go live on different channels and all and talk it out. Okay, you know, this is bothering. And luckily, I have very good people around me, like being my fans, my well wishers. They come out like, you know, very good solutions. So मुझे instant में जाता है.
Great, great, lovely talking to you, Leslie. Any last message that you want to give our viewers? from your side?
I want to thank you for this amazing, like therapeutic discussion.
Very
Uh,
welcome.
yeah, because I just like you took me to a different world, like the
Yeah,
world that I wished
went
and I
down
loved.
and we came up again.
Yeah, you are the person I think we all wish to. I think people should have discussions and interviews with you more often because it's like a meditation, like
Hmm.
going back and enjoying those good memories,
Right.
celebrating ourselves.
Celebrate.
So the way you just zoom, take us and bring us back. I had a great experience. So I think firstly I want to thank you and your viewers because they are loyal to watching your shows because you are giving the best content, something very unique, and I think your guests are very happy. And I think this experience, like I don't know if you're aware of it, but I think for me, this moment of discussion with you will be helpful for next few weeks because I let out a lot of things out of my
Yeah.
heart. I spoke out a lot of things, so it's very therapeutic for me. Like what I was saying now, अभी मुझे लिखने की जरूरत नहीं है. This all like आजकल वीडियो से ही things are happening, and this conversation with you is one of the best things I would say that happened right now. And again, it's reminding me never give up. So that is my message. Keep dreaming and have faith in yourself that you are unique and nobody
Yeah.
can be like you, and that is going to help you stand out. And I'm happy I had this discussion with you.
I wish you all the very best, my dear. Always, you do take good care of yourself, and lovely talking to you. Thank you so much.
I
We'll keep in touch.
love you. Take care.
Bye. Take care.
Bye. Thank you.
તો આજે આપણે મળ્યા લેસ્લી ત્રિપાઠીને. A girl coming from a small town and making it big. એને કેટલી બધી લેંગ્વેજીસમાં એક્ટ કર્યું, મ્યુઝિક વિડીયોઝ કર્યા, કમર્શિયલ્સ કર્યા, she has a show. કેટલું બધું જેને અચીવ કર્યું છે. It was really, really, truly inspiring. So I hope you enjoyed yourselves too. Until next time, I will see you soon with another guest. Till then, take care.